Coach, a few words about tonight's games. Unfortunately, you lose again.
Yeah, the game was over after 12-15 minutes. Nexe played very good today, and they had a very strong. They were very strong physically, and we couldn't stand against them physically. So, yeah, like we say in Denmark, they just were running over us. We had no chance today. They were just much better in attack, in fast breaks, in defense. Today we lost against a much better team. The positive side, if I have to find one, is that we sometimes played very good in attack to create some free chances, but unfortunately for us, the keeper Kuzmanovski played a very good match today.
Good luck in the further and have a safe trip home.
Thank you.